Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 3A and question number 3 we have to do, and we are solving the quadratic equation. I told you we have different formulas, different techniques that with the help of that we can simplify the quadratic equation. First method is AC method. Second method is you can taking square root on both sides, that we did in question number 2. But what we can do in question number 3, over here you cannot apply the third formula because there is plus sign, and also you cannot find out any AC method, because for that you should have three numbers. And in the question it is written that x plus r whole square plus u, that means you have to make it complete square. अब complete square बनाने के लिए आपने क्या करना है, we know the formula for the squares. You have two formulas. One is a plus b whole square, this is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Second formula is the negative one, that is a minus b whole square, this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Basically these two formulas we will apply, and this side we will apply, and we will figure out this side. Okay, from the given question it is given that x square plus 20x, that means a is given and the central term, that is 2ab, is given while b is missing. So that means we have to figure out what is b, the value of b over here, and how you will figure out, I will explain it to you. This means this is your a square, this is a square, and you know that you have 2 of your formula. A is x, that means it will become 2x, while over here it is 20. To make it 20 you have to multiply it with your number 10. Now this number is your b, the number with which you will multiply to complete this formula. So that number, this number is your b. So that means I will write over here 10 square. And in algebra there is a rule that any number that you are adding, the same number you have to subtract as well. 10 का स्क्वायर आप ऐड कर रहे हैं, सो 10 का स्क्वायर ही आप माइनस करेंगे टू बैलेंस इट, क्योंकि अगर आप इसको खुद से आप ऐड करें ना, आप किसी भी क्वेश्चन को खुद से चेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो दैट मीन आप ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, कैंसिल होकर वापस आपके पास वही क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा. क्लियर. अब यहाँ से यहाँ तक आपके पास क्या बन रहा है, a प्लस बी, ये वाला फॉर्मूला बन रहा है. सो हम इसको इसमें इनक्लोज कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन a that is x and b that is 10 whole square minus this will be your remaining number, that is 10 square. This is in the form of this number 10 square. You can write as x plus 10 whole square minus 100. Clear. Moving towards part b. When there is a negative sign, so that means you will apply the second formula. When there is a positive sign, that means you will apply the first formula. Okay, x square minus 15x, so it will be x square minus 2, a is x. Now to make it 15 I have to multiply it with 15, but what to do with this 2? So that mean आपको इस 2 को कैंसिल करना है. इसको कैंसिल करने के लिए आप इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे 2 से, 2 और 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आपके पास आंसर क्या रह जाएगा, 15x रह जाएगा. दैट मीन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस कंप्लीट टर्म. So I will add 15 divided by 2 square minus 15 divided by 2 square. So my answer is x minus 15 divided by 2 whole square minus 15 divided by 2 square. Taking square of 15, you will 15 square is 225 and 2 square is 4. Moving toward part C. Part C is x square plus 1 by 2x. Okay, from here again a is x square plus 2, a is given, that is x, b is obviously I need 1 by 2, so that means to remove this 2 I need another 2, so that means 2 and 2, that 4. So 1 by 4 is your b. So 1 by 4 you will add 1 by 4 square because it's b square minus 1 by 4 square. I will do that, plus and minus both. So the formula will be equal to a plus b whole square, that is x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16. Clear? Part D is uh, x square minus 2 by 9 x. Okay, x square, that means this is a, so a square minus 2, a is x, b is, I need 1 by 9 over here, so that means I will multiply 1 by 9, so it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 by 9 x. So I have added this 1 by 9 square minus 1 by 9 square, so it will be a minus b whole square, because there is a minus sign, so you have to write over here minus because 1 by 9, so 1 by 81. Moving towards next, that is part E, and part E is x square plus 0.2x. When there is a plus sign, so you will apply the first formula. When there is a negative sign, so you will apply the second formula. So over here it is a plus sign, so I will write a, that is x square minus plus 2, a is x. Okay, now I have to make it 0.2. 0.2 कैसे बनेगा? इसको डिवाइड करने से, इसको डिवाइड किससे करना पड़ेगा? हमें 10 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। मतलब 2 को अगर आप 10 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो आपके पास आंसर क्या बन जाएगा? 0.2 बन जाएगा ना। सो दैट मीन 1 by 10 आपको चाहिए। सो द सेम नंबर 1 by 10 स्क्वेयर you will add and the same number you will subtract. So your answer will be equal to x plus 1 by 10 whole square minus 1 by 10 is 1 by 100, or you can write 0.01. It's up to you. Okay, next is question number, part F, that is x square minus 1.4 x. So it will be x square minus 2, a is x and b is, you need now 1.4, that means after multiplication आपको 1.4 चाहिए. So that means we will multiply it with 0.7. 0.7 के साथ जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बिकॉज 0.7 मल्टीप्लाई विद 2 यू विल गेट एन आंसर 1.7. सो दैट मीन यू हैव टू ऐड 0.7 स्क्वेयर एंड द सेम थिंग you will subtract. Okay, from here it is x minus, because there is a minus sign, so x minus 0.7 whole square minus 0.7 is 0.49. Okay, next one is part G, that is minus x square minus 10x. When there is a minus sign with both the terms, so that means first of all you have to take that minus common. It will be x square plus 10x. Now you will apply the formula on this one. It will be minus x square plus 2x, and to make it 10 I have to multiply it with 5 plus 5 square you will add and minus 5 square you will subtract. So it will become x square plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square minus sign के साथ, and this minus and minus will become plus, and this will be equal to 25. Same is with the next part, that is part H, minus x plus 11x square. Whenever there is a minus sign with the first term, you also have to take minus, that minus common. So it will become minus x square minus 11x. So we will apply the formula x square minus 2 into x. Now you want 11, so and you have to remove this 2, so that means you will divide it with 2 plus 11 by 2 square minus 11 by 2 square. So it will be minus, this will make a formula, that is x minus 11 by 2 whole square. This minus and minus will become plus. 11 square is 121 and 2 square is 4. Moving towards question number 4. This is all about your question number 3. Okay, question number 4, part A is x square minus 6x plus 1. Now, there is an extra term that is this plus 1, but I will not do anything with this one. I will apply the formula only on these two terms as I was doing in the previous question. So, it will be a square minus 2, a is x, b. To make it 6, I have to multiply it with 3. The same number I will add the square of the same number and I will subtract. And this one I will write as it is. Clear this thing? Now from here you have a formula that is x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 1. So the answer is x minus 3 whole square minus 8. Sometime if you have any number of which you can take square root, then you can apply the third formula as well over here. But now till here it's finished. Okay, part B is x square plus 3x minus 2. Again you have to take only these two number, that is a, x square plus 2, a is x, b is, now you want this 3, so that means you will write 3 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2 square minus 3 divided by 2 square minus 2. Over here I will apply the formula that is x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus, it is 9 by 4 minus 2. So I have to simplify these two terms. This will remain as it is, that is x plus 3 by 2 whole square. By taking the LCM it will be multiply with 4. So minus 9 by 4 minus 8 by 4. Now the bases are same or the denominators are same, so I can add them. X plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 8 plus 9 is 17 by 4. This is your final answer. You have to simplify till end. Okay, part C is x square plus 9x minus 1.8. Okay, from this I will write x square plus 2, a is x, b I want 9 and I want to remove this as well, so it will be 9 by 2. The same thing I have to multiply, that is 9 by 2, and the same thing I have to add with its square, minus 1.8 will be as it is. From these two I can, these three I can write a formula x a plus b whole square. From here it will be 81 divided by 4 minus 1.8. If I will write 1.8 as okay, I will write 1.8 as it is. 81 divided by 4, we can divide 81 by 4, 4 twos are 8, and it will be 1.0, 4 twos are again 8, it's 20, 5s are 20, so the answer is 2.25 minus 1.8. Basically I have to add 1.8, will be 5, 8 to 10, 2, 3, 1 and 4. 4.05 will be your answer. X plus 9 by 2 whole square minus 4.05. These type of question often come in your paper 1, so there is no calculator in your paper 1, you have to do it by yourself. So that's why I did all this rough working as well for you people.